In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove or mute background music in InVideo's advanced editor. If you've opened a project in InVideo and noticed music playing automatically, don't worry, that's normal. InVideo often adds a default track to help you get started. I'll show you two simple ways to handle it. Completely delete the audio or mute it so you can keep the track in place without sound. First, open your project in the editor. Once you're inside, focus on the timeline at the bottom of the screen. This is where all your layers live, including video clips, text, and audio. The audio track is usually displayed below your video layers and is often labeled music or audio. You'll recognize it by its waveform and a small speaker or music note icon. If your timeline looks crowded, you can zoom in using the timeline controls to make the track easier to select. To remove the music entirely, click once on the audio track to highlight it. You should see it become selected, and sometimes a small toolbar or context menu will appear. Now press the delete key on your keyboard. If you prefer clicking, use the trash or delete icon that appears in the interface. This fully removes the audio from the project or the selected scene, depending on how your project is structured. If you delete the wrong track or change your mind, use undo right away to bring it back. If you don't want to delete the audio but need silence, for example, if you plan to replace the music later, muting is a great option. Click the audio track again to select it, then look toward the top menu for the volume control. You'll see a slider that lets you adjust loudness. Drag that slider all the way to the left to mute the track completely. This keeps the track in your timeline but disables its sound, and you can always bring the volume back up later if you need it. Muting is reversible and non-destructive, which makes it a safe way to experiment. After you've deleted or muted the music, play back a few seconds in the preview window to confirm that everything sounds the way you want. Make sure to check any additional scenes if your project contains multiple segments, since some templates add audio per scene. When you're satisfied, save your project to lock in the changes. That's it, simple and effective. You now know how to quickly remove or mute background music in InVideo's advanced editor so your visuals and voiceover take center stage.